Hey, what's happening, my friend? In this video I'm going to show you how to be more confident, okay? Because I noticed that if you can see here on my screen, if I just exit out of this 1 second, you can see up in the corner I typed into Google how to be more confident, and there's a whole bunch of people. You can see that 10,000 a month to up to 20,000, and it's going along 25,000 people per month searching out how to be more confident. And you can see here on the competition score it's at 0.6, and this here is a little tool I use, but pretty much this competition score means like how many people are writing about it and how much competition there is against this keyword of how to be more confident. And basically I just noticed that you might have been searching out, and there's a whole bunch of people searching out how to be more confident, and I have the answer, my friend. I have the answer, and I can show you how to get that result, okay? Depending on what it is you want to be more confident at, okay? I might not be able to show you how to be more confident with girls or anything like that, but this is a proven formula to be more confident at whatever it is you want to be more confident at, okay? So I made this little slide, won't take too long, and basically what we talk about in this channel is how to make more money and building an internet business, and what money gets us, and that's freedom, and that's what we ideally want. So this is what I'm going to refer it to, but remember that you can apply this to whatever it is you want to be more confident at, okay? So this is a super simple formula to be more confident, okay? And it comes from entrepreneurship, because this is what I've been studying about for years now, and being more confident in entrepreneurship equals more money. So that's why ideally I wanted to learn how to become more confident at what I was doing to win at this entrepreneurship game and make more money, my friend, and ultimately get more freedom in my life and stuff like that, and do what I want to do. So kind of probably the same for you if you're into this kind of stuff as well, or whatever it is you want to be more confident at. So this is not going to be too long. I'm going to just get straight to the point for you, my friend. So how can you be more confident? Well, it depends on what you want to be confident at. So for this example, like I said, we're going to refer to business. So you can apply this to anything you want, okay, to be more confident at. So first you want to identify what you want to be more confident at. Then you're going to focus on training. So you're just going to go at it. You're going to train, and you're just going to do it over and over and over and over again. And you might not be that good at the start, but that's okay. You're going to get better, okay? You're just going to do it over and over and over, repetition, repetition, repetition. And the more that you do it, the more you're going to do it, the more competent you're going to get at it. So this is going to breed competence, okay? And competence is pretty much like you know that you know. So the more you train and you repeat it over and over and over again, you'll become competent, okay? And more competent at what it is you're training on. So depending on what you want to be more confident at, you want to train at it, and you want to do the thing over again. So you do it first time, and you might be like, you might not be that confident at it. And then you do it the next time, and you might be a little bit more confident, but you keep doing it and keep doing it until you become competent, okay? And competence is just like I know that you do this happens, you know that you do this might happen, and you just know like you know, okay? Where when you first start out, you maybe don't know like you know, you're in the unknown kind of thing. But then when you do it over and over and over again, then you become more competent, and then you just know like you know, okay? And what this does, my friend, okay, so you've been training, doing it over and over again, and you know like you know, you'll become more competent, okay? And what competence does is when you have been training for so long that you know like you know this happens and this doesn't happen, okay? You know what the end result can or can't be. Like I said, now you'll be more confident, okay, in your actions. So when you're competent and you know like you know, then you can take a more confident action, because you know kind of what the result is going to be, because you've done it so many times. So you know what the end result can or can't be, okay? And competence equals confidence, okay? So this is the result that you're looking for, is more confidence. And how you get the more confidence is by being competent, okay? And then how you get the competence is through training and repetition. So you just train and train and train, do it over and over and over again, over and over, and then you'll know like you know. And when you know like you know, then you'll be able to take action with confidence, okay? And then you'll be able to be more confident at whatever it is you're training on, and whatever it is you want to be more confident at, okay? And thinking about business and entrepreneurship, confidence equals money, okay, my friend? And that's what we all want at the end of the day, is what money will get us, and that's freedom, right? And what is for me might be for you as well, I'm not too sure, okay? So the more confident you are, say in business, for this example, the more money that you can make, okay, which is really, really cool. And this is how you become more confident, my friend. I hope that you like this video. You want to identify what you want to be confident at. You want to train at that thing over and over and over and over again until you become competent, and you know that you can take confident action. Okay, when you're competent, you know that this result happens, and then that breeds confidence, and then confidence, if you're in business, you can breed more money, things like that. So if you're new to the channel, my friend, we bring out posts like this, videos like this all the time, every single week, even more sometimes, all about building an internet business and mindset and email marketing and building websites and loads of different cool stuff like this here. If you're interested, my friend, in learning about this here, you want to make sure and subscribe to the channel, hit that little bell notification or whatever and all that there kind of stuff, and make sure so you don't miss a video when I bring one out, so you can learn more about this kind of stuff. And if you want some super cool training on building an internet business so that you can train at it and become competent and then move with confidence and be able to make more money, I'm going to leave you the training below this video. If you want to go and have a look at it, you can go and click that link below, and we'll just do a wee recap here again. So remember that what you want to be more confident at, you want to train at it and repetition over and over and over again until you become more competent. And then when you become more competent, you become more confident, okay? And then when you become more confident in business, you can make more money. And that was it, my friend. I hope that you liked this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Make sure and smash that like button if you like this kind of videos, and leave me a comment below wherever you're watching this, and leave me a comment and let me know what you've been up to, if you're liking this kind of stuff, what kind of videos you want to see more of, and hopefully I'll be able to help you out, my friend. And like it says, make sure and check out the training if you're interested in building your own internet business and going through the training to become more confident and then make more money. I'll see you later. Have a great one. Bye bye.